Hey guys, welcome to another SaaS landing page teardown. Today we have Pipedrive, which is a CRM. So basically they are in one of the most competitive markets in SaaS. And the reason why I want to show you this page is because even though it has some good features, it's clear that it's a CRM and so on, it has zero USPs in such a competitive market. So it's not really getting anywhere besides the brand awareness it already has, or maybe the word of mouth that they have built up over time, right? So they just say the CRM platform to grow your business. That is like the biggest thing I've seen on earth, right? Then it's the CRM designed by salespeople or for salespeople. That's okay, but doesn't say much. And then we just have a generic Kanban board that every single CRM has, right? So right from the top, I have no idea why this is better besides already knowing that this is a CRM, right? Then they have a bunch of rankings, which is okay. But they don't really say why they have such good rankings. Is it because they have superior supports? They have better integrations? What is it, right? That they have such good rankings, right? And it said how Pipedrive works. Set up your pipeline, track progress, and so on. This is how every single CRM works. So there's no point in explaining it because this is not a new thing, right? People aren't looking for a CRM because they've never used one. They always use some sort of CRM, like either a CRM in the spreadsheets or CRM in Notion, maybe another competitive like Salesforce and so on. Like the serious buyers, the serious companies are actually going to have already a solution in place that they're competing with, right? That they're comparing whatever they have to whatever Pipedrive can offer. If they don't clearly show why Pipedrive is 10 times better in most of the areas, then why the hell would they switch if they have a big team already used to using that tool, right? Not going to happen. So what most likely they would do is they'll start attracting smaller people versus getting those big companies that would pay them way more, stay longer, and then every single one of those salespeople, which is a job role where people churn quite a lot, they would go to another company and they want to use Pipedrive as well because they're so in love with it for some reason. Then we have all these features, which kind of looks like just something where you would try to use these keywords to kind of have this homepage rank because it looks like you're keyword staffing for some of these features. And then that's it. We don't really understand why this is better, right? I'm not sure if it's easier to sign contracts within Pipedrive, if it's easier to maintain the pipeline, if maybe they have more integrations than usual, right? If they're better at doing reminders, if they're better whenever you have a bigger team. I believe from what I've heard before is that they're better at managing calls and follow-up calls and so on, and integrating with AirCall and stuff like that people usually do use for cold calls. But that's pretty much it, right? That is a really big problem because I just went through a long-ass page without understanding why they're better. I literally think this is like any other CRM. And the problem is I've actually used Pipedrive before, right? I've used it in my business, and I still don't know why is it better. I just used it out of a recommendation that a friend gave me, right? That's how bad this page is. So let me know what you think about this page in the comments. Which company that offers a CRM do you think has a really good landing page? Let us know in the comments because I would be curious to see one because they rarely do, right? Whenever a soft market is extra competitive in SaaS, for whatever reason, the pages get even worse. I'm not sure what they're thinking, right? So let me know what you think about this page below. And if you're interested in getting help for your SaaS company in order to explain the products and the value of the product the best way possible, so not only you get better conversions, but you attract bigger and bigger companies so you can move up market and attract those companies that actually pay the most. They are likely not converting at the moment because you're just more skeptical than others. Then feel free to go to Cortez.design and book your free consultation. You can learn more about the process. You can learn more about all the results that we had in the past, because we have like a bunch of results here, and then you can just book an intro call so we can figure out if I can help you, if we might be a good fit, if the timing is right, and so on, because there are a few variables that some companies have that it's very easy to get results for them, and other ones not so much. That's why it would be awesome if we start with an intro call first, right? That's pretty much it, and talk soon. Cheers.